Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. A couple quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. And then second, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using and which one do I recommend? All that can be found up the link up above. But in a nutshell, prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your capital at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value to you, then definitely, like I said, check out that link up above and let me know if you have any questions. So I'll go ahead and pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, getting some action here down to that level. So looking for a potential long here, pulls back. I was hoping for it down around 730, but it's got to drop down a little bit more than that. So I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. All right, looking to get long at that green line. If it wants to come all the way back up, that'd be a pretty impressive sign of strength. So again, looking to get long at. I'm going to cancel that out now at this point. So we'll give it a try still. Couple of sell orders out there just in case there's I get filled and all of a sudden it pops upwards. Getting close, and close. I'm in. Let's see if we can make the move up. And I'm long. There we go, got those ones. And just like that, what I was looking for is that little spike upwards. And with the spike I had, because I had those orders scattered out there, then I took off my final position right there. So yeah, futures, they can move and they can move quick. But it's all right. Again, this is live. I'm recording it as I speak. So I know there's sometimes those awkward silences, but I'm literally trying to look, analyze, think if I want to put a new trade on and speak to you all at the same time. So yeah, I'm aware it can get awkward at moments, but all right, there we go. Nice start there. And just got to remember as traders, 1 minute you can be feeling bullish from all right, let me buy this kind of big pullback here, to the next minute I'm looking to play a breakout. So you just gotta let the price action direct your thoughts. But okay, I will pause, but yeah, I'm definitely going to be relatively picky now moving forward, because in fact, I'm going to go over to these contracts now. So I can still trade the same exact chart and setup, but now because I've changed to a different type of contracts, they move way slower in the sense of P&L. So if I'm wrong, I'll be very happy because the loss will be very minimal. But if I'm right, I'll be disappointed because the gain would have been bigger. Wow, look at that move back down. Let's see if I can potentially try to play something here. Again, 730. Put my first order down there. And starting small. Okay, in. Oh, I hit that. Got out too soon. All right, I'll restart down here. In. Again, just starting small. Okay, out there. So again, yes, this is adding up very much slower, but I'm doing this now from a risk management standpoint. I'd rather, if I'm wrong, the losses will also add up way slower. Okay, and again, okay, out there now for another little scalp. This is next level at 90. I'll try something down around here. Just slowly. Now I'm starting small, and if it goes against me, I'll pick up more. But as of now, I've gotten the bounces in my favor where I haven't had to build more. Now it's bouncing from there. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. But yeah, nice start in 1 minute. That's wild. Think about it. Not that long ago, it was the big upwards move. It was looking like it was getting ready. I got a spike right there. But yeah, and then after that, just complete reverse around. All right, I'll pause. All right, I think I'm just going to go ahead and call it good and move on from here. So, yeah, some pretty anticlimactic trades, the type that I like. A little bit of patience was required, but overall, nice, solid trading session. Before I go, though, I want to invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you are a beginner trader just getting started, maybe you're struggling, then I'm very confident that this class can give you some things to think about and consider in your journey. If you are a battle-hardened veteran with a rock-solid strategy, you are welcome to attend. I'm not quite sure you'll necessarily get anything out of this per se. I guess you never know. But yeah, in those first two categories of either a beginner trader or a struggling trader, that definitely get signed up for, as I'm confident you will walk away with some good, like I said, things to think about. So go to claytrader.com/live or just check out the link in the description area to learn when the next live class is. So thanks for hanging out. Make sure you hit that like button. I'll see you back on the next one.